Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy and delicious vegan tacos. First, we will prepare a flavorful lentil-based filling, packed with spices and texture. Then, we will craft vibrant, fresh toppings like a quick salsa and creamy avocado for ultimate freshness. Finally, I will guide you through assembling your perfect taco, ensuring every bite is balanced and satisfying. This simple recipe offers a fantastic, wholesome meal solution for everyone. Let's begin with our flavorful filling using 1 cup of brown or green lentils. Rinse them thoroughly, then simmer in about 3 cups of vegetable broth for 20 to 25 minutes until they are tender. Once cooked, drain any excess liquid. Now, stir in 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a rich, spicy foundation. Now, let's create some vibrant toppings to elevate your tacos. A simple pico de gallo is key. Finely dice 2 ripe tomatoes, 1/4 of a red onion, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Mix these with the juice of 1 lime and a pinch of salt. For creaminess, slice 1 ripe avocado or mash it with a little lime juice to make a quick guacamole. Finely shredded cabbage or lettuce also adds a fantastic crisp texture. With your filling and toppings ready, it is time to assemble your delicious tacos. Gently warm your corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds on each side until they are soft and pliable. Alternatively, you can microwave them for about 15 seconds. Place a generous 2 tablespoons of the lentil mixture onto each tortilla, then artfully arrange your pico de gallo, avocado slices, and shredded cabbage on top. A final squeeze of lime juice truly brightens all the flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.